You know, she's going to be riding the Little Dashin Cat, Jason and Christy Bohart. Oh, Maria, I am counting on you. Just about got it one picked out there. Yes, ma'am. Now, where do you go? Beautiful American quarter horse, you see Maria riding.
There you go.
Well, she says, I've got a few more minutes. I'm going to pick them out quick to go home. She's doing her thing. Yes, ma'am. Well, I like what I saw right there. Miss Maria Gaudette. Outstanding job, Maria. Once again, she is riding the Little Dashin Cat, Jason the Cherry, Christy Bohart.